Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Building a binary tree from a list in Python is a common task, and it involves creating a data structure that represents a binary tree using the elements of a given list. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with a code example. A binary tree is a hierarchical data structure where each node has at most two children, referred to as the left child and the right child. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download Python from python.org. Let's start by defining a simple binary tree node class. Each node will have a value, a left child, and a right child. Now, we'll create a function that takes a list as input and builds a binary tree. We'll use a recursive approach to construct the tree. Let's create a list and use our function to build a binary tree. You can also implement tree traversal methods to verify the correctness of your binary tree. Here's an example of an in-order traversal. You've now successfully built a binary tree from a list in Python. Feel free to explore further, implementing other tree operations or traversal methods. Remember, this is a basic example, and you can extend the implementation based on your specific requirements. ChatGPT.